When your BT YouView box experiences problems like freezing, boot loops, or signal issues, you may need to get a replacement. Understanding the replacement process starts with knowing what's covered and what steps to take. BT YouView boxes come with a standard 12-month warranty from the purchase or installation date. This can be extended up to 3 years with BT Care packages. The warranty covers manufacturing defects, hardware failures, and software issues, but does not cover physical damage or liquid damage. Several common issues indicate your YouView box may need replacement. These include frequent freezing or hanging, boot loops where the box continuously restarts, no signal output to your TV, and overheating problems. These symptoms often point to hardware failures that require a replacement unit. Before requesting a replacement, BT requires you to complete diagnostic procedures. Start with their online diagnostic tools, then contact technical support if needed. You'll need to complete troubleshooting steps and document the fault symptoms. This process helps determine if the issue can be resolved without replacement. Before getting a replacement box, consider that BT is shifting towards streaming services. You might find that the BT TV app, cloud-based services, or smart TV integration better meets your viewing needs. These alternatives often provide more flexibility and don't require physical hardware that can fail. Understanding warranty coverage, common issues, and the diagnostic process helps you determine whether a YouView box replacement is the right solution, or if transitioning to BT's newer streaming services might better serve your needs. The BT YouView box replacement process begins with fault verification. You have 2 main options to start this process. Once the fault is verified, BT will assess your eligibility for a replacement. This assessment considers several key factors to determine if you qualify for a free replacement or need to pay for the service. For customers under warranty, the replacement process is straightforward and free. You can contact BT customer service at 0800 800 150 or use their online chat system. You'll receive a prepaid shipping label to return your faulty unit, making the process completely free for warranty customers. For out-of-warranty customers, BT will assess whether repair or replacement is more cost-effective. They'll also discuss upgrade options and alternative solutions like streaming apps. BT is modernizing their replacement service with several key changes. They're increasingly using refurbished units, which reduces costs and environmental impact, while focusing on modular designs for easier repairs. The replacement process has become more efficient, with BT reporting an average processing time of just 2.3 business days and a 94% first-time fix rate for standard warranty replacements.